The mental health charity Pieta House, which is involved in suicide prevention and bereavement counselling, will have to cut jobs as part of a restructuring plan to save €3 million. Chief Executive Stephanie Manahan revealed tough decisions have to be made at the charity, which needs €17 million a year to run its free services, but is reliant on €14 million of that income coming from fundraising and public donations, while over €3 million is from the HSE. She said 18 non-clinical staff out of its 278-person workforce have had their jobs put on notice of risk in a first phase, and more losses are inevitable as it rolls out the plan between now and the end of 2026. The organisation, which provides one-to-one free therapy to people at risk of suicide and self-harm and counselling to those bereaved by suicide, has been relying on its reserves to help support delivery of services in recent years, but can no longer do so after this year. Its flagship fundraiser, Darkness into Light, which took place in May, raised €4.5 million last year, but will bring in a lower income this year. Ms Manahan said the organisation has contributed significantly to the overall reduction in suicide numbers since 2006. She said that last year 6,865 people were helped by Pieta House psychotherapists who delivered 50,944 hours of therapy, while its helpline received over 100,000 calls and texts. Ms Manahan said the priority remains crisis intervention and suicide prevention, adding that people will always be able to access a therapist through the crisis line. The charity, which has centres nationwide, has a waiting list but aims to ensure people are seen within 2 weeks and prioritise those in urgent distress. People under the age of 25 account for 60% of its clients, with 40% under the age of 18. The average age of children seeking help is now 14, down from 16 in 2020. You can follow this story and more on the Irish Independent.